Decide for yourself. The sense of self as structure. What if I told you that the most important thing in your life isn't actually there? Not hidden, not hard to find, not waiting at the end of some long spiritual journey. Just not there. Let's start with something simple. You've been told your entire life that yourself is the foundation of everything. Your decisions, your relationships, your purpose. It all starts with you. Strengthen the self. Improve the self. Express the self. But what if that self is more like a room than a rock? Stay with me. In architecture, what looks solid, a building, a structure, is actually a balance of forces. Tension, compression, support, counter-support. Virtually nothing stands alone. Everything depends on everything else. And the most important part of a room, it's not the walls, it's the space inside. Now here's the twist. That space isn't a thing. You can't pick it up. You can't point to it directly. It exists because the walls are arranged the way they are. Change the walls, and that room disappears. Your sense of self works the exact same way. What you call me is not a fixed object. It's a pattern, a configuration, thoughts, memories, sensations, beliefs, reactions, all interacting, all shifting. And yet, from that movement, something feels solid, continuous, real. Let's test it. You say, I am angry. Seems straightforward, right? But look closer. Where did the anger come from? A situation, a memory, a physical response, a story you told yourself about what happened, and the I that claims the anger. It's built from those same ingredients. There's no separate entity standing behind the anger, holding it. There's just the anger. And then the label, mine. This is the structural illusion. You're not a solid foundation. You're an ongoing construction project. And the ego? That's the blueprint you keep reusing. Same patterns, same identifications, same storylines, over and over again. Not because it's fundamentally true, but because the conditions keep recreating it. Now here's where this gets uncomfortable. If your self is just a pattern, then what exactly are you protecting? What are you defending? What are you trying to perfect? Because you can't reinforce an empty room. You can only keep adjusting the walls. And yet, that's what most people spend their lives doing. Rearranging thoughts, upgrading beliefs, polishing identity, all in an effort to stabilize something that was never stable to begin with. But there's another option. Instead of trying to fix the self, you examine how it's built. You start to see the beams, the tensions, the automatic reactions. You notice how quickly a thought becomes a story, and how quickly that story becomes me. And in that seeing, something shifts. Not because you've created a better version of yourself, but because you've stopped mistaking the pattern for a foundation. And this is where Zen cuts straight through. Not by giving you a new identity, but by showing you that you don't need one. What you are isn't the structure. It's not even the space inside the structure. It's the entire process. Appearing, disappearing, reconfiguring, moment by moment. And when you see that clearly, the need to hold it all together starts to fade. You still think. You still act. You still respond to the world. But there's no longer this constant pressure to defend a blueprint that doesn't actually exist. So no, this isn't about destroying the self. It's about understanding it. Seeing that what felt like a foundation is actually just an arrangement. Temporary, functional, empty. And once you see that, you're free to stop building and start seeing.